Hello everyone. Today we are going to start Chapter 2 Addition, Subtraction and their applications. In this video we are going to learn how to do addition of large numbers. So let's get started. Addition means putting the things together. Simply, it means that when we get together most of the things, means two or more things we put together. This kind of process is known as addition. Or we can say that addition means process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. Now first of all, we will learn some new terms related to addition. The first number of addition is known as odd. The other numbers of addition being added is known as addends. And the result obtained after addition is known as sum. So here we can understand addition of large numbers by three different ways. First, addition without carrying. Second, addition with carrying. And third, addition of more than two numbers. So let's get started with the first way. Addition always begins at the ones place. We will understand with the help of one example. Add 270557 and 510432. To add large numbers, odd and the addends are arranged in columns according to the place values of digits. So firstly, arrange the numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. Here we have 6-digit numbers 270557 and 510432. So the first number 270557 is known as odd and the other number 510432 is known as addend. Let's start addition at the ones place. Add 7 and 2 is equal to 9. Then add the tens place digits 5 and 3 which is equal to 8. Then add the hundreds place digits 5 and 4 is equal to 9. Then move to thousands place digits 0 and 0 is equal to 0. Then add the 10,000s place digits 7 and 1 is equal to 8. And finally add lakhs place digits 2 and 5 which is equal to 7. So on adding odd and the addend we get the sum 780989. Hence 2,70,557 plus 5,10,432 is equal to 7,80,989. It means odd plus addend is equal to sum. Now we move to the second way of addition. Addition with carrying. To understand that, we will take one example. Add 42732165 and 37327586. We know that first arrange the given numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. We know that 8-digit numbers greatest place is crores place. So arrange the numbers in columns and start adding at the ones place digits 5 and 6. On adding the ones, carry over 1 tens to the tens column and write 1 to the ones place. Then move to tens digits. Add 6 and 8. We will get 14. But here you also have to add that 1 which you carried over. So 14 plus 1, 15. On adding the tens, carry over 100 to the hundreds column and write 5 to the tens place. Move to the hundreds digit. Here add 1, 5 with 1 is equal to 7. So write 7 to the hundreds place. Then move to the thousands column digits. Add 2 and 7 which is equal to 9. Then move to add the 10,000s column digits. 3 and 2 is equal to 5. So write 5 to the 10,000 place. Now add lakhs columns digit. 7 and 3 is equal to 10. So carry over 1 10 lakh to the 10 lakhs column and write 0 to the lakhs place. Then add 10 lakh column digits 1, 2 and 7 together which is equal to 10. So carry over 1 crore to the crores column and write 0 to the 10 lakh place. Finally, on adding the crores, we will get 8. So write 8 to the crores place. Thus, the result which we obtain by adding two numbers is 8 crore 59,751 and it is known as sum of both the given numbers. So, this is how you can add the large numbers. Now, we will learn the third way of addition. That is addition of more than two numbers. For that, we will take one example. Add 732464, 42153 and 37586. Here you have to follow same method which you learnt in the second way. Only the numbers are more than two numbers. First, arrange the given numbers according to the place values of the digits. Now start adding at the place of ones first. Add 4, 3 and 6 together. We will get 13. So carry over 1 tens to the tens column and write 3 at the ones place. Then add tens column digits 1, 6, 5 and 8 together which is equal to 20. So carry over 200 to the hundreds column and write 0 at the tens place. On adding the hundreds, carry over 1000 to the thousands column and write 2 at the hundreds place. Same way, on adding the thousands, carry over 10,000 to the 10,000 column and write 2 at the thousands place. Now, on adding the 10,000s, carry over 1 lakh to the lakhs column and write 1 at the 10,000 place. And finally, add the lakhs column which is equal to 8. So, the sum of all the number is equal to 8,12,203. So students, this is how you can do the addition of large numbers by using the different ways. I hope you understood it very well. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment section. Thank you.